Mama wakwaba waframe Adjoa search me mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo nipa ya wakase o kire se ofri Volta region na ontai ent na ho na mom na oye adwuma wo nti otai ekọ Volta region pa. Okọ Volta region ekoye adwuma anasa otai ekọ ho ekoye adwuma e wa abra no man pendada John Dramani Mahama eye president. And I say NPP for be taking over His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo and the Vice President Omoti so Omoti akondwe so and so of Volta region ekwaye adwuma na abusuafo pay e kire say odu wani ekyem e Volta region NDC fo kra mo say Volta region e yam stronghold a omunyo mo aba efi honom no ekwan omo anye bi na mum Nana Addo baye His Excellency Nana Addo Addo akwan away your Volta region and impatem enye easy na NDC for no most mo ye green book na ye ho akwan bi amoye wo e most mo ya akwan nyina enso akwan ye waga na hanum na etutu na je ye ho akwan bi amoye wo green book ni mu na say green book nsema mo twa omi na ye no fa because His Excellency by akwan ya waye waga na ha enya akwan keto akwan me di mo dance bebre last say o mo twa eye anwe akwanta apimenim to takwa matina takwa nso ayemida ekwan no oguru be wusisi a sisi mu kɔ he kwan no mu atwa dem last me kɔ ho mu atwa kwan no mu egusu a de kɔtakwa ti His Excellency de kasa ekwan do onye bi wo Ghana wa beka bia wo boa ekwan ne Nana Addo wa ye bia nkasa na no na papa e kyerɛ sɛ Volta region for 2024 moto aba de ma NDC fo a na we hu se Ghana hanya de be ye bi oda because Ashanti region NPP for stronghold NDC focus NPP by omo eja Ashanti region omo eja omo nyehwe wo Ashanti region Kumasi inner roads no nkwa mo hwe mo ani suade tafo nhia so matena hoda ufi moro market o sane akọ ase ho no ma ekwan no mfutu pa kwana kɔhwe ekotafo no mi no omo aya kwan ni na eda so nti Kumasi de metimi adu ho adanse na Western region so metimi adi adanse His Excellency oye kwan wo hanya asem ketwa kwan nti akwan ko ade NPP fo mo kense but akwan ko ade metimi adi ho adanse NDC fo person be omombra challenge se Nana Addo eno mampenda da John Dramani Mahama hwan we you kwan wo Ghana ha mo ntumi venture kra ti papa ni se mo kan 2024 de se Voltarians omoto aba de ema NDC amayoko na ne we se Ghana ha enye je bio because we authority mi se o NDC de NDC nya no beto amba no onim se NDC ba omwa me nti obe change no NDC opa no beto amba nti obe change se Voltarians pa 2024 mbo mu musu koto aba ma mapenda da John Dramani Mahama dia na che se Ghana ha enye yinti mo de etodwa
na mencha na ke wakasa ne because when people communicate with us so we didn't make money you ne network me cable pula me network ya ma me to kwan ko train cable people in area if you am ko Volta region kwa no ma ko be entam na usha kwan MBP edit ma wo pa wo ko kamani me afrawo ne ho maza enye izo di afeka no enye izo kwa etino disia pa se etusa abato ni du supa no mtiga no machi kra bi jaman ma unja ya yeni ano Volta pa no mumpe omo mani
Beda say hello, good afternoon.
Well, my dada, I say.
Boko, udini baby afrefi.
Yes, one day, one left.
Yo, one day, one left. You go.
And let's know what is so. I don't know about a PSG. It's papa. Modern bow, one of no. Almost and the Yano. Na Michana Nati, while one home in Pa, Bawa, never be able. Now, must say, Nana for. Say. Again, another damper for a set of cantamanto. Why, yeah, dear papa, because the Papa said, they cried, and Yak Mafia. Debbie. To make certain of say, me and another damper Kufado. I yes. Now, Miaba Trasso. na Ghana ako nkan na se ya former president John Dramana Mande omo ina jo be Ghana fa hye won a Yesu a Ghana fusu no obeka tene on de on tobia oyojan fru na nam no yaye akadompe na afeje na obeye
Meda say P. Hello, good afternoon.
Communicator. And then you hold that for me now, who say MPP and not NDC, sensation. Partly away and also, you're born about so. Mamma, yeah, both MPP and NDC. My NDC for more to MPP. The thing I go by, I don't know budget to buy it. The was a man you go so quick, no man, that don't dramatic my time. What is it can a car don't pay and no car don't pay. I don't know budget in you, the sales car or no man that in Chima. And when it does so, because the ultimate NDC 20 is in one, and far better than NDC. But we also not cross over, and I was coming to us.
Meda say P. Hello, good afternoon.
Na flight at me free Burkina Faso, Abagana, Belande, Ebema Iska. Any flight that lands on our land pays money. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Every flight that lands on the soil of Ghana, so long as it's not even if it's a Ghanaian flight, it still owes the country money. We didn't see a flight from even Cote d'Ivoire to come to the north. Neither did we see some, even from the Volta region that he claims he has done Volta Aerodrome. Volta Airport. That is what Muhammad told us. That is what he told us. Me, I will give you the fact. You can also cross-check. We end this in our family. Me patrol, but plane, international plane, Bakwa, you two, ADBC Tamale, phase 1 now, And now let me tell you how the T3 even gets more worse when it comes to Tamale International Airport. Omuwie 130 million na. Omuwie a free Ghana for who we Ede niyama kosin sam ho keke no. Ewie no. Omo say omo beye phase 2 ya Ekufuado ne na banya ya omo ebie ya. Omo be here $150 million more. Phase 1 130. Phase 2 so omo pe 150 million. Intinanka plane in two free brochire by you near say over $300 million on Tamale Airport alone. Yes. $300 million. If NDC had built the phase 2, they were going to charge us $150 million. And you think that government nanka obebuemia ukomuno better than a government that did phase 2 for $70 million. Are you people correct? Sister, we are sure so Ghana ye. Are you sure it's not just your party that you just want to see your party in power? That is why you are fooling around? Seriously, you don't think say your party I'll say about power and a wood Jimmy na. Because Obiso basing for 150 million. 150 million minus 70. What's yes, I'm at na mama. I want you guys to do the math for me. NDC was going to do Tamale Airport, International Airport, phase 2 for 150 million, Sister Lily. Entiente Ekufuado, almost what you need now for $70 million. Diana NDC for some, even then, oh my God, you Ghana for me, you wicked Ghana don't want to grow. Ghana don't want to develop. No, it's not true. Omo boa, omo pause, omo party ba. MPP percent the party ba. NDC percent the party ba. Ubia percent the party ba. Omo boa. It is not about Ghana. Because it's about Ghana, NDC should never be nowhere near the presidency. Because or say obesi phase 2 for $150 million. Ekufuado comes 2017, plans it. 2018, we get a loan agreement. 2019, we start building. Tamale International Airport Phase 2 is finished. Cost us 80 million less than